he can't break bread, he fake. I had one more buck on my plate. It was me and
What is up guys, this is Mario TV here, bringing you another video, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch and download free movies on phone and PC/laptop. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, what you're gonna do first is go to your browser and search for a website called App Valley, and this should be the first link. And this should be the one with the mountains. All you gotta do is click install and press allow. And then you're gonna wanna put in your password. Once you put in your password, it's gonna click on next and install. Now it should be downloading right now. Once you're in App Valley, you're gonna wanna head over and download an app called Bobby Movie. Once you're in Bobby Movie, you're gonna press on Get and install. And before you can go into the app, you're gonna have to trust it first. So go into settings, profile and device management, and trust. Once that's done, you're gonna go back into the app. And choose from a variety of movies that you would like to watch or download. As you can see here, there's a lot of new movies that are up to date, like this Dragon Ball Z. All you gotta do is press watch now, and the movie should be starting right now, guys. Here's a full movie of the new Dragon Ball Z movie. I'm gonna skip ahead just to show you that it's actually the full movie. Yep. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download any movie of your choice if you ever wanna watch it offline. And all you're gonna have to do is click on the top right download arrow and then go to the main menu. Once you're in the main menu, you're gonna click on the three stripes on the top left and then click on download. As you can see, this is where all your downloads will be placed if you ever want to watch it offline. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch and download movies on your laptop. And what you're gonna have to do is go to the search tab and put in www.filmxy.com. And once you're here, as you can tell, there's a lot of movies and TV shows to choose from. I'm going to go to the search tab and I'm going to search for Night School. As you can see, they have Night School in full definition. And if you want to watch that movie, all you're gonna have to do is click on the play button and it should play. As you can see, the full movie is currently playing. And if you want to download the movie, all you're gonna have to do is scroll all the way down and click on this download button over here. And once it takes you to this download page, you're gonna want to click on 720 download link. And once you're here, you're gonna want to scroll down and wait 30 seconds for your download to finish. Once your 30 seconds are up, you're gonna want to click on free download. You're gonna want to scroll down. You're gonna want to click it one more time to start your download. as you can see guys, to be able to play the movie, you're gonna need an application that plays MK files, and all you're gonna have to do is go to the App Store and download an app called Mkplayer to be able to watch any movie. And once Mkplayer is fully downloaded, you can open that up and you should be able to watch any movie that you want. As you can see here, the full movie is playing right now. Thank you for watching guys, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.